First, click the link in the description and it'll take you to this website. Click download. Then, download the one if you need Android or if you need Windows. If you're using Windows, just get the zip file. And gold is not anything extra, so just use the free version. Next, after that's done downloading, when you open it, it might ask you if you want to let this program access your files. Allow it. It is a safe program. There's other people that make videos about it. It is safe, so allow it. Once it's downloaded, open your folder, extract it. You can just right click and click extract all. Then open it and delete the zipped file. And then right click on this and click show more options. And then click create shortcut. And let's put your shortcut wherever you want. And then it'll say this, so click more info and click run anyway. And after it's done opening, you will need some games. So go find some games, use some forms to make sure the websites are safe that you're getting the games from. So to add games, click browse, click on the folder you have it in, and then make sure you extract your games to ISO or it won't find them. And then just add your game and click OK. And look, there's a game. And then you just click on it and play. If there's any settings you want to mess with, I'll probably make some videos about that in the future, but just leave everything and see how you like it.